Hi, I'm Brian Gorelnik with the injury law offices of Brian D. Gorelnik. In what instances are you entitled to pain and suffering damages if you've been involved in an accident? Well, if the accident was a motor vehicle accident, Florida law requires that the individual sustain a permanent impairment or other factors that it's very important that you go see an injury lawyer to discuss. But basically what that means is if after you've gone through all of your treatment, if you're still having pain, discomfort, limitations, or restrictions, your injuries are probably permanent. Now, it's one thing for you to have those subjective complaints, but it's certainly much more persuasive if you can have the objective tests and studies to prove that. And only going through or through the advice of an experienced injury lawyer are they going to know what sort of tests, diagnostic studies, and medical providers that you need to prove that permanent impairment. Now, as an aside, that threshold only applies to motor vehicle accident cases and does not apply to slip and fall or trip and fall cases. However, the rationale is still the same to the extent that it is more compelling and persuasive if you can prove your injuries objectively than purely your subjective complaints. I'm Brian Gorelnik with the injury law offices of Brian D. Gorelnik, or if you've been in an accident, you deserve to demand more.